Hey guys, today we're going to learn about the rainforest. The location of tropical rainforests can be found around the world in Central and South America, Africa, and Australia. They can be warm all year. The average temperature in the tropical rainforest ranges from 70 to 85 degrees. The environment is a pretty wet in tropical rainforest. So it means it is sound like it rains all the time. Okay. Um, Type of plants is that is usually found in the rainforest is the epiphyte. Epiphytes are plants that live on the surface of other plants. Okay. And these include orchids and bromeliads. All right. Tropical rainforests are home to half the plant and animal species on Earth. Animals that live here include spiders, monkeys, sloths, parrots, toucans, blue morpho butterflies, snakes, frogs, snails, and beetles, and many, many more. Now, let's look at the forest and see if we can figure out the difference. Okay, so the forest has deciduous trees. Okay, and deciduous means they keep their leaves all year long. Okay, they're located in eastern United States, which is where we're at. We're in the southeast. Canada, Europe, China, Japan, and parts of Russia. The weather has four changing seasons, which is the seasons that we have: winter, spring, summer, and fall. Deciduous forests also have quite a wet environment, so it's also very moist and rains there too. Okay. The plants is deciduous trees are trees with leaves rather than pine needles, and they dominate temperature forests. As the seasons change each year, so do the leaves. Each year, deciduous trees lose their leaves and come back. Sorry, I said deciduous doesn't lose their leaves, but they do. Sorry. The animals have to cope with the different types of seasons. Some animals hibernate, means they go in like a bear, like a cave, and sleep all winter. Some migrate during the winter, and those will be some of our birds so they can escape the cold weather. Animals that live here include bears, squirrels, raccoons, deer, birds, snakes, and frogs. So now you know the difference between a rainforest and a forest.